I have here a kitchen cabinet. Comes with all the pieces to put it together. They're nice and strong and sturdy. It's gonna be a really nice cabinet. I'm gonna put it together and show you what it looks like when I'm done. So these pieces are made from a thick plywood. You can see here, it's really nice and solid, so it's gonna be nice and strong and really sturdy. So to show you the hammer, you can see just how strong and sturdy it is with me hitting it. I got the kitchen cabinet all put together. You can see it's really nice, heavy duty, nice and solid, and it's really pretty as well. You can see this one has 2 pull-out drawers in the front here, and it has 2 doors also right in the front. So up close here, you can see how pretty it is, how fun the texture is, and the grain of it. So it's really, really pretty. So this is a narrow bezel sharp door here. You can see it has nice sharp angles. It's nice and smooth as well. And they're nice and easy to open. And they are really soft and they're not noisy when you open and shut them. So right here, you can see what it kind of looks like with the sun beating right on it. So it's going to have some different lighting looks with it, whether it's in more of a shade or the sun right on it. It's really pretty. It has a really pretty green and it has a really pretty texture to it. So you can see on the sides here, that little shelf is adjustable, so that's handy, so you can adjust it to where you want. So this is super heavy duty. It can hold a lot of weight. It can hold a lot of items. I have some big pots and pans to show you and some big items on the shelf to just show you how much space, how much weight it can hold. It can hold a lot and it's going to be really strong. It's not going to break on you and you're not going to have any issues. These are also very low noise doors and drawers here. You can see when I shut them, they are very, very quiet. There's not big loud clinking when you shut the doors. So this kitchen cabinet's really nice, heavy duty, really solid, really thick, and it's really quiet. It's not loud banging noises when you're opening and closing the doors. So it's gonna be easy to put together. It's gonna be perfect for anybody looking for new kitchen cabinets. Really nice and really fun to have. And it has a really pretty look to it as well.